Now, before we get started building anything, we want to make sure that Unity knows this is a VR project. So you want to go to Edit, Project Settings, go to Player, and then go to XR Settings and checkmark this Virtual Reality Supported. Unity will change a few things. And then underneath Other Settings, make sure that .NET 4 is selected here. And then the other thing you want to do is go to Window, Package Manager, and make sure you have the OpenVR package installed. There it is, OpenVR, just click Install. And once that's done, we'll be able to actually test out the example scene and make sure everything's working okay. Now you can build all this stuff without having a Vive or an Oculus or other VR device, but I'm going to be using the HTC Vive. So now let's go test out and make sure we have everything working. So in VRTK, samples, farm, scenes, there is the example scene. So let's load that up. Couple other little things I'm going to do is I don't need to see all these little symbols, so I'm going to turn these down. And I'm also going to choose maximize on play, which will speed up play mode just a little bit. And I'm going to put on my VR headset here now and actually test this out. So here we are in play mode, and I've got my little hands here with my little teleporters that I can click and jump around and move around in the scene, and then I can go interact with the things within the scene. So everything's working properly. Now we can start building.